This is drinking water in Georgia right now due to massive AI data centers, and India has decided to protect Georgia from it. So it has given like free access to these states to build AI data centers in India. India is offering cheap land, tax benefit, fast approvals, electricity support, and water access to attract giant AI data centers. But all these companies will build their servers here, use India's land, electricity, and water, but the actual AI model, patent, and profit will still belong to foreign companies. When they will leave India, they leave all the land pollution, water pollution, and air pollution with us. They'll take the AI infrastructure with themselves. One large AI data center can consume as much water in a day as thousands of family, and this is happening in a country where many cities already face water shortage, power cuts, heat waves, and disappearing groundwater every summer. So the concern is not AI is bad. Growth without protection becomes dependency. We've seen this pattern before. Cheap manufacturing, dumping grounds of fast fashion, foreign companies using India mainly for low cost labor and resources like a lab rat. And if we are not careful, India could become the same thing for AI infrastructure. Actually, it has already become a giant parking lot for global servers. And the scary part is when the resources get stressed, local people pay the price first. So maybe the real question should not be how many data centers can India attract. Maybe it should be how much ownership does India keep? Or because there's a huge difference between building technology and simply renting out space for it.